Welcome to BBC Gardeners World Live.
Gardeners World Live is a great place to come to just to pick up a load of ideas that you can then take home and hopefully make your own garden just a little bit better.
BBC Gardeners World Live has been absolutely fantastic this year.
I love this show because I think it's really relatable to all of us. The gardens are gardens that we can actually imagine in our own spaces. I walk around here and there's plenty that I think, oh, that's just like my size of garden.
A lot of inspiration, definitely, to get out in the garden a little bit more and see what we can do with it.
Various options, opportunity to see, to learn, to grow.
You can talk to the growers, you can talk to the experts.
One of the best things about Gardeners World Live is that here in the floral marquee, you're going to see a range of plants at their very best.
BBC Gardeners World Live is such an amazing place to come if you're on your own, if you're with friends, if you're with family.
Two different age gaps and we both love it already, don't we? Definitely do this again.
We go and watch the talks and we're also going to Adam's kitchen today as well. Wow moment for you was Adam Frost, wasn't it? Definitely. Monty's always a favourite, Adam, Sue, Francis, I like to look out for them all.
The whole site is packed with show gardens. There's the inspirational borders, endless products you can buy and take away from the show.
The quality of stuff here is extraordinary.
Got lots of different plants that we wouldn't have normally seen in a garden centre, and the quality's just brilliant.
I've come with the purpose of buying, but I'd quite like to find some plants that I don't know of that would happily fill my garden.
Spoilt for choice, really, I think. Wasn't expecting that.
We've been to the food show before as well, and I think that having the opportunity to go to both and all in one building is amazing.
As a chef and a foodie and a gardener, you've got the best of both worlds.
The whole thing has been a really nice experience.
Very relaxed, isn't it? And everybody seems to be welcome.
Everybody should come down and see what's on offer.
Covers everything as far as the garden is concerned.
I love Gardeners World Live.